Hello, Serpent Survival. They're coming to you with some new gear for the 4Runner. In this box is a Cali raised LED interior MOLLE panels for a 5th gen 4Runner. About to do the install. Seems like a solid piece of kit. Install is complete. Both sides are put up. Seems like a very solid piece of gear. I'm looking forward to setting up a kit on it. Very well engineered. Install took about 5 minutes. It was very easy, and that is including the shovel right here. Seems a little flimsy, but it has a lifetime warranty, so we'll definitely put that to the test. But looking forward to trying this out. Make sure to go check out Cali Raised LED. Updates coming soon. Thanks for watching.